Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I am here with another great project to share with you all from which you can earn a good income. So let's move towards site. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yes, press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's BitPlam. Welcome to bitplam.com. And with BitPlam, you can easily manage your assets and you can earn a great income on daily basis. So easy to use asset management system with impressive daily profits. All you have to do is to create your account. You can create your account and then you can have access to your deposits, withdraw, etc. Just click on the sign up link and you will be redirected to create your account. I have already created my account, so I'll show you how it works after signing in. So let me tell you how you can create your account. All you have to do is to put your email address, password, and your account will be created. All right, so let's talk more about BitPlam first. So we will multiply your funds. BitPlam Ltd is a company consisting of very talented traders who use professional tools mainly in cryptocurrency markets. When managing our users' funds, we make several dozen transactions a day to ensure guaranteed profits of 4 to 5%. We constantly analyze the situation in order to earn money quickly and effectively. Trust us with your money and enjoy your passive income every day. So this is the thing they are working on. They are working to give you a profit of 4 to 5% daily with some good traders, experienced traders. They are using your funds and giving you back of 4 to 5% of profit. Then you can have the live statics right from here. The days from which they are online is 20. They have 5377 members already and active deposits. You can see total withdraw, everything you can see right from here, and you can check their recent transaction as well. Then let's talk about their referral program. It's not just about you have to make your deposit to earn. You can even increase your earning by referring their website. Earn money by recommending our website and encouraging others to invest. Our referral program gives you unlimited earning opportunities by receiving an instant commission on deposits made by your referrals in three-tiered structure. Use your social media messenger and all other methods to share your referral link as many people as possible. So on first line, if someone joins by your referral, you will be getting 5% of that commission. And if someone joins by that refers, like second line, so you will be getting 2%. And on third line, you will be getting 1% of commission. Okay, so we have the investments plan here. Float cryptocurrency rate start from $25 investment. So first of all, we have light plan from which you can start from 25% to $25, and in which we will be getting maximum deposit is $4.999 and plan for 30 calendar days. 120% net profit, and you can invest in this package. Then you have plus package which starts with $5,000, maximum deposit is $200,000. This plan is for 40 calendar days and 200% net profit. So you have their plans, light plan, plus plan. You can select your own plan, whatever suits you best. So you can select your plan, and of course you will be having float cryptocurrency rate start. The minimum amount is $25 investment, and then several deposit at the same time they were providing, and it profits every 24 hours, 7 days a week. Cancel deposit anytime. This is a good feature. You can cancel your deposit anytime. And then 15 payment methods. You are getting 15 payment methods to deposit your funds. So they have tried to make it easy as possible as for you. So after creating your account, you can just have all the information regarding your deposit, withdraw, etc. And here you can find about the project and how it works, etc. We have their contact details as well if you want to get in touch with the team, or if you have any query about the project, so you can get in touch with them. Then we have some frequently asked questions. If you are not sure about anything, so you can go through these questions and you will surely get your answers, like what is bitplam.com, and then what is the minimum withdrawal amount, is it safe to entrust bitplam funds, when will I get my withdrawal, etc. So all the questions that would be in your mind, you will be getting your answers right from here. Plus, you have their Telegram community link. You can join their Telegram community. So you will be in touch with the team as well as the other investors, community members, and of course, if you have any questions, you can ask them and you will be getting your answer as quickly as possible. So now let's log into our account. I've told you how you can create your account, and after creating your account, you can simply log in and you can see that here you on your dashboard, you will be able to see your account balance, your active deposit, your total earnings after making investment. You will be able to have all these things mentioned here, and then the last deposit as well. Here we have the link, our referral link. You can have this link right from here, and then you can share this link into your social circle, your friends, etc., and whoever joins by your referral, you will be getting 5% of commission on that. Plus on second line you will be getting 2%, or on third line 1%. So you can increase your earning by referring as much as you can. Then you can deposit. You just have to click on this make a deposit link, and you can deposit. You have 15 methods to deposit, like you can deposit from Perfect Money, ePay code. You can do cryptocurrency by Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, BP20, etc. So you have many options. You can select whatever suits you best, and you can deposit your amount. You have to just put the amount right here, which you will be depositing. And as we know that the minimum amount is $25, and you have to click on make a deposit, select your preferred method, and process. And then for withdraw, you have to click on this withdraw link. So we have no funds till now, but as soon as you will start your earning, you will start the package that suits you. So you will able to withdraw your funds as well. And here you will have all the details about your referral program, like your lines, etc., and your earnings by refer system. You will be able to check it right from here, and you have your refer link here as well. And then you can check your history, account history from here. You can check your deposit list, etc. So you have all the details, everything mentioned on the website, and they have tried to make it easy for you, and you can easily start earning. All you have to do is to make a deposit, create your account first, make a deposit, and start earning. All right, so this was our project for today, Bitplam, and Bitplam is here to manage your asset, and you will be getting a great income on daily basis. So I will provide the link in the description. You can check out the project by yourself, and then if you are satisfied, so you can invest in it. It's so simple. All you have to do is to create your account and then deposit, and then you have to select your favorite package. Even you can earn by referring. As much as you refer, you will be earning commission on that. I hope you like the website, you like this project. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.